Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Ymir anime Vanguard skin. First, understand that this cosmetic item is typically acquired through specific in-game events or seasonal passes. We'll cover the main methods and important tips to ensure you can add it to your collection efficiently and without missing out. The most common way to obtain the Ymir anime Vanguard skin is through a special battle pass. You'll need to purchase this pass using in-game currency. Then, play the game to earn experience and advance through the battle pass tiers. The skin is usually unlocked upon reaching a particular tier. To successfully acquire the skin, always keep an eye on the event's start and end dates, as these items are often time-limited. Make sure you have enough in-game currency to purchase the battle pass. Focusing on daily and weekly challenges will help you progress through tiers faster. Sometimes, the Ymir anime Vanguard skin might also be available through limited-time store bundles or special in-game events outside of the battle pass. Always check the official announcements for all possible acquisition methods. By following these steps, you'll soon be able to enjoy your unique new cosmetic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.